What's up, traders? It's your boy Vincent, aka Vin Boss. Without wasting much of the time, let's get into this and see what the market has in store for us. So, traders, with that being said, we are having one of the most urgent sells in the markets today. Right, let's firstly recap what happened yesterday before we can continue to today's analysis. Yesterday we wanted to see the market come, we wanted to see this break this top, come to the downside, retest, and then continuation to the upside to break Friday's high, which we did reach, but we did not break entirely to the upside. So what happened afterwards, the market just came back, retraced, we broke this higher low, and then afterwards we broke below the 200 moving average, which in normal market conditions this would have been a straight move to the upside, but instead what did we get? We went to the downside, almost broke this low, and came down to retest the broken level right here to the downside, and it looks like we are going to break this level of yesterday's daily low. So with that being said, let's check where do we expect this to go. If this happens, this is the area that I will be targeting, of course. If this happens, 1.1724 is the area in the euro dollar that I will be putting as my take profit. So with that being said, today we target a much lower level. This looks like excuse me, this looks like it is about to do this and continue to the downside. Structure change every day, you have to adapt every day. Excuse me, you have to adapt each and every single day so that you can get to this level here. So with that being said, this is the euro and the dollar for us. I would like for us to go straight to the pound and the dollar. Very similar to what we had with euro yesterday. We wanted to see the market break to the upside, come down, retest, and we did get the perfect retest, and it started making higher highs and higher lows. Broke the top here of Friday's high, took profit, then after we went straight down to break this low today. And this is why I say euro dollar might be poised to go down, because after breaking this, we are making, after the break, we retesting this now, like yesterday's low, which is now acting as resistance, and we might as well continue to the downside. Let's see how further we are going to be going with this. We are not going to go that further or to the level that is unfamiliar to us, because the market opened with a gap right here. So this is our target, 1.3543. This is the target for pound and the dollar. So this is pound and the dollar, everything else looks the same. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to the US dollar and the Japanese yen. And with the US dollar and the Japanese yen, very simply put, we have the same analysis from yesterday. This was the this was what I was seeing yesterday. I was seeing buying opportunities from this level, but we didn't take them as because we were already making profit with selling the dollar on multiple currencies in the VIP section. So this looked very unfair and a confusing trade, so we didn't take this buy signal to the upside, we just let it go. So today, as soon as the market opened, we saw this buy opportunity, the break to the upside from yesterday's high, a retest and a continuation to the upside. We didn't reach our intended profit target, which is right here, 157.89. Instead, right now we just hit this trailed stop, which gave us 1:8, 1:2, yes, 1:2.80. This is the level that we got stopped out at, and it gave us small profit. Remember, there are three types of positions you need to be: small loss, big win, and small profit, or rather break even, if you don't want to have big losses in here. So with that being said, we're going to the last but not least, which is gold. And with gold, yesterday everything was fantastic. I did mention that gold was trying to trap traders from this level here, and it did trap a lot of traders here, and then after that we went boom to the upside, took out Friday's high as intended, and then afterward it didn't take it here almost, but it took it as soon as the day was about to close. So with that being said, what did we do from then? We did have a fantastic and a great service to the downside, which is this level right here. We broke this was the new wave to the upside. So what was expected was for this to come and make new higher highs so that we can continue to the upside. Instead of doing that, the market went straight sharp to the downside to this level. It looks like it might continue to the upside, but I don't think so. What I do expect from this is to see the market just coming from the bottom, hitting this, and then a continuation to the downside to break out Monday's low, just like all the currency pairs. So with that being said, this is the daily market analysis. I had to do this real quick, traders, so that we all can get this in time and have time to see what is happening. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you join the Telegram channel so that you don't miss the exact entry points of these trading signals. Bye bye.